Hey everybody, thanks for watching. This is a Berkley horizontal rod rack. This is for storing your fishing rods when not in use. It is horizontal, so that means it's supposed to go long ways like this in the garage. I bought this for an application to actually go vertically, and I'll show you what my application specifically is. Here in the fishing corner of our garage, we've outgrown our little fishing pole vertical one on the left. We had to put it that high because of this plug that I wanted access to. On the right side, we can go all the way down to this ledge, and that'll give us about 2.5 more feet of fishing pole storage, which we need for a couple pretty long rods that we store. So this Berkley horizontal rack comes pretty much with just 3 things. The 2 pieces of rigid polystyrene with mounting holes top and bottom, and 4 screws. Now, if we did this normally like this, they'd be long ways across the wall, but we're doing it this way. Let's see, there we go. And we're gonna keep this piece and this piece. They recommend 42 inches apart. And I'll rest my fishing poles on this handy little lip right there by that old bag of Quikrete. So that'll give me a couple feet more of storage. Ideally, this little hole right here would be mounted into a stud, but we don't have that here, just for the space into that little niche in the corner. So for these little 4 screws that they gave me, I'm going to put in these nylon drywall anchors, and that'll give me the stability that I need so we don't pull them out when we're taking off the rod. So not to bore you, I'm going to do a quick time installation, which includes measuring and drilling the holes and then putting the screws in, and probably about 10 minutes work total, and then we'll critique the sturdiness of the unit. Here we go. Okay, I forgot that we have this almost 1-inch thick drywall in here, so that defeated these tiny little screws they gave you. So be prepared, those little screws right there, be prepared to come up with your own source of fasteners, and these work just fine, the long ones I had. It gets through the drywall into the stud on the right and into the anchor on the left. So this is the Berkley horizontal rod rack. I'm employing this vertically, using that ledge down there to hold them, and that's about an 8.5-foot rod for these 12-foot ceilings. I can move this other big rod here that you can see is bent up on the ceiling up there to this other one. So that'll let us have the kid rods here and then the deep lake fishing rods over there. But the price is right. I'm not positive how much we paid for it. I thought it was under $10. I'll tell you what, I'll put a link at the bottom of the video. These are perfect for horizontal, and you can make do in a situation like this for vertical, and it does keep the rods tidy, secure. They're not going to fall. You actually need to go ahead and grab them and pull them out, and it's just a nice way to keep them safe and out of the way. So I recommend it. Just make sure you get what you think you're getting. Thanks for watching.